Welcome to this explainer. Want to thrive for centuries, not just survive? Let's decode the Biohackers Extreme Longevity Blueprint.
Our blueprint starts with the bowhead whale. It's Earth's longest living mammal, easily cruising past 200 years old.
So how does an 80-ton beast completely dodge cancer? That's Mito's paradox, a total mystery of cellular resilience.
Their secret? Repair, don't replace. Literally, that is the ultimate biological rule. If we're going to unlock extreme longevity, whales use a cold-activated protein called CIRBP for flawless DNA fixes. Human DNA repair? Way too messy.
To mimic them, we've got to target our own cellular engines. I'm talking about mitochondria, which pump out ATP energy.
Enter VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90%. Just 2 milliliters daily uses polyprenols to brilliantly patch up damaged mitochondrial membranes.
Plus, its fierce cell sap delivers bioavailable iron for oxygen, while flavonoids completely bulletproof your microcirculation. Want to push it further? Stack this mitochondrial protocol with Beat Shot for absolutely maximum physical performance. Here's the biohack. Combine conscious breathwork, like EWOT, with that bioavailable iron. It'll completely supercharge your oxygen efficiency.
The payoff? Supercharged mitochondria, massive ATP, balanced neurotransmitters, and fully repaired membranes driving that optimal microcirculation.
So, the blueprint is yours. Are you ready to optimize your cellular engine and literally rewrite your biology?